why XRP will flip Ethereum this coming crypto bull market as we go into 2025, I believe next year. Now, if I were to say that in the beginning of this year, 2024, you would probably thought it was crazy, right? You'd probably be like, Lewis, you're out of your mind. XRP is not flipping Ethereum. It's literally 50, 40 cents, which I believe it was around 50 cents in the beginning of the year. But it was just stagnant, right? It was people were calling XRP a stable coin. Meanwhile, I made plenty of TikToks and a YouTube video. I'll even put the YouTube video here in the cards, telling you guys how I'm bullish on XRP going into 2024, right? Looking at the charts and also the fact that it's good year, the dragon year, which it was launched in the dragon year. But you would have probably thought it was crazy. But fast forward, here we are at the end of 2024. And, you know, XRP took a little bit longer to really take off, right? But it did, and it's dragon year. So here we are, you know, everything's going right for XRP. Gary Gensler is resigning. The Trump's administration is coming in. It's going to be much more crypto friendly. The SEC is not going to target them like they did in the past 4 years, right? And I just want to say XRP is the only altcoin to have ever flipped Ethereum for that number 2 spot back in 2017's bull market. It's the only one. And really what stopped XRP from being number 2 was the SEC. Back in 2018, the SEC came out and they came out with a lawsuit against XRP. And this was after XRP flipped Ethereum, and it was at all-time highs, going up $3 plus. And the SEC came out and XRP's enemy year, which was a dog year, which is an enemy sign with the dragon. But what's insane is the fact that the dog is a SEC's positive year, because the SEC was launched on the dog year, I believe in 1930s, somewhere around there, 1934 maybe, I don't know, but it was launched on the dog year. And here we are at 2018, I think it's 2018, I believe, dog year, and the SEC, why on its dog, why not on the dog year, right? It comes out, sues XRP. XRP goes from number 2, right? And I think it was short-lived. I think it was only a couple weeks, maybe a month, that it was over Ethereum. But after that, XRP has its worst ever year in 2018, dropping over 90% in its enemy year, right? I can't make this up. But, you know, here we are, 2024. Things completely flipped and changed around, right? And we're entering next year with the SEC again. The SEC is not going to be in the way of XRP anymore. Gary Gensler is resigning. And we're going to have Trump's administration, which is way more crypto friendly than back in 2017. And by the way, XRP flipped Ethereum during Trump's administration. So there's so many similarities to when XRP flipped Ethereum. And the main difference this time is the fact that the SEC is not going to be in the way of XRP anymore, like it was back then, where it came out of nowhere and then they sued XRP. So this is why I believe XRP has everything to flip Ethereum again, right? And repeat history, because man, there's been so much hate on XRP. Like, I watch a lot of crypto YouTubers. I'm not going to name the names, but there's been people saying there's a 99% chance that XRP would break its all-time highs, because coins that didn't break its all-time highs after the first bull market, there was only one coin that did that, which was Tron. But every other coin like XLM, XRP, they never broke its all-time highs again. And I think that's a load of BS. Just because it never happened, or there's one exception, doesn't mean it won't happen, right? We live in a world where things are always changing. There's news, there's, you know, a bunch of different things changing. And so just because 99% or it didn't happen in the past doesn't mean it won't happen again, right? And these people, they're like, we're going to repeat history again. Well, I say to them, well, yeah, we're going to repeat history again, in which XRP is going to flip Ethereum, right? That's when we're going to repeat history. So I'm very confident in XRP flipping Ethereum. It doesn't mean Ethereum won't perform well. I still believe Ethereum is going to do very well, go to over 10K plus. It just means that XRP is going to do better. It's going to outperform it, right? Especially if we see all, you know, there's so many rumors out there right now regarding XRP. I mean, it's only one news away, guys. It's only one breaking news away from XRP going to $5, which I believe it will, then to $10, then to $20, right? And I believe XRP, I'm going to do a price prediction on XRP, but XRP is a special coin regarding price predictions because, you know, its main goal, right, if it actually does what it's supposed to do, what its goal is to do, Ripple's goal, well, the sky's the limit, right? That's why you see all these people giving these crazy XRP numbers, which obviously it's a lot of clickbait. It's a lot of, you know, trying to get engagement. And if these numbers were to hit, I do believe it'll be many more years from now. I don't think it's going to be next or the next 2 years where XRP is going to 1,000 plus or something like that. You know what I mean? If that were to, you know, hit, it's going to be many more years from now, in my opinion. But that, you know, I could see XRP going above 50 plus, to be honest. I'm definitely going to do a price prediction on it, but expect the unexpected with XRP. I believe we're going to get some shocking news going into 2025. And again, guys, I was right on. This doesn't get enough attention, but I was right on going into 2024, being bullish on XRP because it's a dragon year. We haven't had a dragon year since XRP was launched in 2012. And despite XRP being stable, being stagnant, just 50 cents, and just everyone was saying it was bearish, bearish, bearish. And I said, no, the charts aren't bearish. They're neutral. You know, they're neutral. We've been flat, but we haven't been making new lows or, you know, creating these bearish patterns. It's been in this multi-year pendant. And I clearly said this. You could look at my past videos. I clearly said, once we break out of this multi-year pendant, XRP is going to take off. And that's exactly what it did. It broke out of its multi-year pendant. It was like around $1.12, $1 around there. People were like, oh yeah, this is the high. This is the top for XRP. And then boom, $2.50, $2.60, right? It basically doubled. So I was right on that as well. It just took a little longer, but it's still a dragon year. And of course, guys, I don't believe in this. I don't believe in Chinese astrology, Chinese zodiac, all that stuff. I just share it because the people with big money believe in this stuff and they will push it with their money. So I think it's worth looking into, right? It's definitely worth looking into. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. Next year is going to be a snake year. And I still think XRP, I think this year was a big pivot for XRP to be successful for the next coming years, basically, right? And I even said, look, don't be surprised if XRP breaks all-time highs. And it did. It broke all-time highs from 2021. Then it broke its all-time highs from 2017, which I believe it will next year. And I believe it will flip Ethereum next year, especially if we get some breaking news regarding XRP, which, you know, is expected, especially with its growth the last couple of weeks. So, you know, I'm very optimistic regarding XRP. I still think it's still at a good deal based on where it can go. I think XRP is still at a good price, depending on where it can go. XLM, XDC, all these coins, I think they're still good prices despite them pumping, right? So if we do have a dip with XRP going back to under $2, I think it's going to be very short-lived. I think it's going to be bought up fast. And yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. Definitely like, follow, join the free Telegram Cryptopolis. And I love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.